Here we are at the Arcadian village right outside of Lafayette. It's an old time, it's like an old time town. I believe they brought all these houses in. It's just from the old 1800s Louisiana culture. This is the Bernard house. It's the oldest one in the village. This is what gives grown men nightmares right here.
Jigsaw.
Jigsaw's in the house, baby! This is my kind of living right here. The trusty old outhouse. That's where all the business is taken care of. There's a little classroom. Be the last place I ever want to be. Poor kids. Just the simplicity of how they built these things. The framing's just basic. Not much to it. I guess this is their garage. They kept all their cars without motors. 1-2 horsepower. I've always loved these old gas pumps. I'd leave it just like it is. Put a clear coat on there. Beautiful.
This house is from a plantation, and they're using it as a weaving and spinning cottage. But it was built prior to the Civil War. So that's the real one that's 150 years old.
That thing's 150 years old.
Hallelujah.
Almost as old as you, Mom. Here's the doctor. The first dentist in Lafayette. '50s chapel. Tristan said that she wants to get married in the chapel next door.
Oh my God.
We ain't having that, are we, guys? Some bull pucky. Thought we were gonna get married at the racetrack. Uh-oh.
I don't want sprays. I want the sticks. Those things are amazing.
Well, that was a nice little short self-guided tour through this Arcadian village. I enjoyed it. If you're ever in the area, I think it cost, I don't know, $11 a piece or something like that to walk through it. It's a perfect time of year for it too, because it's I don't know, 60 degrees out today. Beautiful. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.